Strongbow. When Arnold de Montgomery, the first Norman lord here, fled to Ireland, King Henry I held on to Pembroke for ages. Rich estate, strong wooden castle. But when Henry I died, his family squabbled over the succession, and they dragged the whole country into chaos. Gilbert de Clare, the first Strongbow, backed Stephen for the throne, and was made the first Earl of Pembroke as a reward. But after 20 years of war and anarchy, King Stephen died, and it was Matilda's son Henry who prevailed, the first of the Plantagenet kings. My master, the young Strongbow, had just inherited when this second Henry swept to victory. He swore royalty to Henry II quickly enough and kept his lands. But the title of Earl, that was revoked and dangled out of reach. The king wanted him to prove his loyalty, I suppose. There were plenty of chances to do that, thanks to the Welshman Rhys ap Griffin, the Lord Rhys to the north. Rhys was winning back his grandfather's kingdom of Deheubarth, capturing our castles and building his own. The Marshal lords really earned their salt in those years, trying to stamp royal authority on mid-Wales, or just stay alive. Lord Richard wasn't in Pembroke, much too busy fighting, but he did build our Norman Hall. It was our first stone building, and it's still there. Strongbow wanted more than Henry II would give him. His chance came when Diarmaid, king of Leinster, was kicked out of Ireland. Diarmaid promised to make Strongbow his son-in-law and heir if he won Leinster back. So the great Norman lords and their families invaded Ireland, and when old Diarmaid died, Lord Richard thought he was free at last. The anger of kings when their lords become too powerful. Henry II came rushing to Ireland, making peace with the Lord Rhys in his very castle on the way. In Ireland, the king forced Lord Richard to acknowledge his new lands as a royal possession. Strongbow became just Lord of Leinster, not king. And King Henry clipped his wings by taking control of his other lands, including Pembroke. Strongbow stayed in Ireland for his last years. His daughter Isabel inherited the Pembroke lands, but they were controlled by the crown until she married, making her a tempting heiress. And what a man she married. William Marshal.
Don't forget to subscribe.